Hi, what do you want to learn about today?
Plastic injection. Control panel. What is a plastic injection mold?
A plastic injection mold is a tool used to create plastic parts by injecting molten plastic into a mold cavity.
Injection molding is the most common method for mass manufacturing plastic products. Examples include chairs, toys, cases for consumer electronics, disposable cutlery, and my favorite, Lego bricks.
What is Battenfeld EM-1000?
The Battenfeld M1000 is a plastic injection molding machine. It has a clamping force of 1000 knots and a shot size of 170 grams.
What is the role of a control panel in a plastic injection machine?
Great question, let me ponder it for a bit. A control panel is used to operate a plastic injection machine. It is typically located on the front of the machine and has a variety of buttons and switches that are used to control the machine. The health and safety instruction during the plastic injection process is to always wear gloves and a mask when handling the plastic pellets, to avoid breathing in the fumes. The plastic injection process can be dangerous if the proper safety precautions are not followed.
What kind of plastic materials can be used to produce chairs?
Hang on, I'm compiling a response to your question. There are many different types of plastic materials that can be used to produce chairs. Some of the most common types of plastics that are used include polyethylene, polypropylene, and polystyrene.
What's the process of storing and transportation for polypropylene?
I'll do my best to find out. Polypropylene can be stored and transported in either its granular form or in pellets. When transporting polypropylene in its granular form, it is important to use a container that is airtight and moisture resistant. Polypropylene pellets should be stored in a cool, dry place.
What kind of questions should I ask my students when teaching them about the plastic molds and injection process using a Battenfeld machine?
I will be sure to provide a detailed response. 1. What is the difference between a plastic mold and an injection mold? 2. What are the benefits of using a Battenfeld machine for injection molding? 3. What are the steps involved in the injection molding process? 4. What are some of the factors that need to be considered when designing a plastic mold? 5. What are some of the common problems that can occur during the injection molding process?
We have a control panel, on, emergency exit, emergency stop button. There is a mold inside it already mounted. Health and safety instructions. Also, we have a health and safety equipment in here, like a glove, toolbox with all the necessary tools. Via the control panel, we're setting up the machine, making sure that everything is clean and they're ready for plastification, preheated. The plastic injection material will be supplied for a plastification process inside this tube. Before that, what we need to do is to go and prepare the plastificant materials like ABS, polypropylene or others that can be transported and dry them. So one of the solutions to use could be a professional dryer like this Piovan dryer, which is able to produce the ABS or polypropylene with only 2% of the humidity, which is very important for a future quality of the process.